Hey guys, it is Sunday here in West Virginia, the last Sunday of 2023. Actually, it's the last day of 2023. This is New Year's Eve 2023. So, today what we're doing is we're going to add one more car to our barn finds diorama. And every time I get a new car, I bring out the old garage barn thing and add this car to the little diorama and such. I think I can only probably add maybe one or two more after we add this new one, but maybe we can expand it a little bit as soon as I get another table to put this one on. That's my problem now is room. So anyways, you guys have seen my two Mopars, the El Camino, and the Mustang. I think the last time we brought this out is when we unboxed the Johnny Lightning Projects in Progress 66 El Camino. Well, today we have an Autoworld 62 Impala, and this thing is awesome. The patina on this is kind of the like exact patina you would see on a real car. This is probably one of the finest examples I've seen of patina that isn't custom work, that comes straight from like the manufacturer, out of like M2, Johnny Lightning, and Autoworld. This is one of the best that I've seen, actually. And there's the card. It's actually called the Patina series. They have a old panel, and then they have a lot of square body trucks in this series. It's Miho exclusives. It's a thing Miho and Autoworld have done together. Sorry about the shaky camera there. But anyways, we're going to be taking him out of the package here and then adding him to the diorama. This is actually a low production, one of 3600 special edition. And then on the back side, there's really not much going on here either. It's just pretty much the same as the front with the art, the card art, and where to find Miho online and on social media and such. And then it has the Autoworld name and copyright stuff here. So let's get him out of the package and take a look. I've already cut it open. Kind of opens like a door on the back side, and I will be discarding the blister pack, but I always keep the little collector box. And as you can see, we'll go over it real quick. It's kind of nice. It's Patina series 1962 Chevy Impala, one of 3600 special edition, Autoworld, and has the blue, same color as the car. Then on the other side it has the rust color, which is kind of cool. And same writing and everything. Ink cap, Autoworld, True 164. Same on that one. Bottom of the box is the same as the back of the blister pack with your copyright and manufacturer stuff. And on top, it has your little like measuring tape there, but there are no numbers. But it has the lines just like a measuring tape. And it says Miho exclusives. So we'll set that off to the side, and we're going to get the car out and go over him. And I had to get this guy in before the end of the year. I just wanted to show this guy to you. So really cool. This would be like right after they found it in the barn, I guess. They would have threw some Kragers on it with some BFG white letter tires and just drove the thing. And that's how a lot of people are doing nowadays, because the patina thing has really caught on. So I would kind of like to see it with the still rusted rims or original hubcaps on it. That was one thing I had against my Charger. I thought the rims were too shiny. But nowadays, I don't know, people drive them like that. They throw new wheels and tires on it, and that's it. So we'll just go with it. That's like one of the things that was deterring me from buying it, but I did buy it because the patina just looks so cool. The way it's faded on the roof and on the deck lid and hood, like it was sitting out in the hot sun in Arizona or New Mexico somewhere. Very cool. And how they kind of start rusting along the body lines where panels meet. That is very cool and authentic. Little bit of fading going on in the lower rocker, not rocker, but quarter panel. So very cool. They even did the patina on the bumpers, and that is very authentic too. Except I think it would have been more on the top part of the bumper than the front of the bumper. But these bumpers on these old cars sometimes rust and rot very weird, so it may be accurate. The interior is pretty clean to be this patina. The interior would probably be dry rotted and cracked and things like that. So, and then under the hood does open. Under the hood is a little bit clean to be this dirty on the outside, but as I said, this is probably one that got that patina, not resto rod, but the just kind of patina rod. I guess I would call it rat rod, or this ain't really a rat rod, but maybe, I don't know, worn out hot rod, something like that, where they take the car, they put a new motor in it, maybe do the interior and put wheels and tires on it and leave everything else the way it was found. So that would be this guy right here, and that would be kind of like the 71 Charger too. So that is it, guys. Pretty cool car. These are readily available on eBay. You can pick them up for, I think, between 10 and 15 bucks. I paid, I think it was 13 bucks for mine. I bought it at a local hobby shop here that's in our mall in Beckley. And I paid a little more than I could have got it for on eBay, but I also save on the shipping. So, saying, plus I got to see it in person. Once I seen it in person, that's what sold me the patina. Seeing it in person, it looks awesome. But on eBay, it was easy to kind of just overlook it and keep moving on and not buy it. But if you guys get a chance to buy one of these, if you haven't already, I highly recommend it. Great looking car. So guys, that's it for this video. That's it for 2023. We'll be back again on New Year's Day to do a Mopar Monday, I think. But we're doing something for Monday. I believe we'll be back on our Mopars. So be sure to tune back in for that. Have a happy and safe New Year's Eve, and I will see you guys next year.